Hello, my awesome friends. Welcome back to Fluent Mate. I'm Liam, your friendly English buddy with bad jokes and good ideas. Now let me ask you something. Can you speak English right now? Yes, right now. Not tomorrow, not in your dream, not in your English test. Right now, can you talk? If your brain is screaming, "No, Liam, please don't make me talk," then congratulations, this episode is made just for you. Today, I will teach you one of the easiest and funniest daily habits to make your English flow like water. No grammar books. No boring lessons. Just you, your voice, and one simple question. This magic method is called the question of the day habit. And trust me, it's so simple that even my lazy cat could do it. By the end of this episode, you will know exactly how to do it, and we will practice it together. So grab a coffee, stretch your mouth muscles, and let's begin. Section 1. What is the habit? Okay, so the question of the day habit, what is it? It's exactly what it sounds like. Every day, you ask yourself one question in English. Then you answer that question out loud. Not in your head, not in your diary, out loud. That's it. One question, one answer, one tiny English workout. You don't need a teacher. You don't need grammar notes. You just need your voice in 5 minutes. If you do this every day, your English will start to come out naturally, like words are living inside your mouth, waiting to jump out. Section 2. Why it works? So, why does this small habit work so well? Here's the secret. First, you start thinking in English, not translating in your head. Second, you practice making real sentences that make sense in real life. Third, you get used to hearing your own English voice, which builds confidence. And finally, you learn that speaking fluently doesn't mean speaking perfectly. Fluency is not knowing every word. It's knowing how to keep going even when you forget a word. It's like dancing. You might step on your own feet, but you keep dancing anyway. When you speak English every day, even for 5 minutes, you train your brain to relax. No panic, no fear, just flow. Section 3. The steps. Let's learn the steps. Ready? Step 1. Choose one simple question. Something about your life, something easy. For example, what did I eat for breakfast? Or, what am I doing today? Step 2. Say the question out loud. Yes, out loud. You can whisper if your roommate thinks you're weird, but please say it. Step 3. Answer the question out loud in full sentences. Use the words you already know. Don't stop if it's not perfect. Step 4. Say your answer again. Try to say it better. Maybe add one new word or fix a small grammar mistake. Step 5. Celebrate. Because you just spoke English today. Section 4. Practice time. Alright, now it's time to practice together. Don't be shy. I can't hear you, but I believe in you. Let's start with an easy one. What did you eat for breakfast? Say it with me. What did you eat for breakfast? Good! Now I'll answer. I ate eggs and toast for breakfast. Repeat it. I ate eggs and toast for breakfast. Nice. Now I'll add more. This morning, I had 2 eggs, toast with butter, and a cup of hot coffee. Your turn. Say it out loud. You have 10 seconds. Go! Excellent. You just spoke real English about your real life. Okay, next question. What are you doing today? Say it with me. What are you doing today? Now here's my answer. I'm recording this video and talking to amazing people like you. Now you try. What are you doing today? Good job. You can add more. For example, today I will go to work. Today is Saturday, so I want to relax. Or, I'm meeting my friend and eating pizza. Okay, next one. How are you feeling? Say it slowly. How are you feeling? Now my answer. I'm feeling great because I had enough sleep and coffee. Repeat that. I'm feeling great because I had enough sleep and coffee. Good. Now you. Be honest. How are you feeling today? Awesome. Maybe you said, I'm tired, or I'm happy, or I feel nervous. That's totally fine. Every feeling is English practice. One more. What do you do on weekends? Say it with me. What do you do on weekends? Here's my short answer. I relax. But let's make it longer. On weekends, I relax and watch movies. Even longer. On Saturdays, I like to relax at home and watch funny movies in English. On Sundays, I clean my room and visit my parents. Now it's your turn. What do you do on weekends? Excellent. You're doing amazing. Let's do one last one. What is your favorite place? Say it. What is your favorite place? My favorite place is the park near my house. I go there every evening. I walk, listen to music, and think about food. Yeah, food makes me happy. Now you. What is your favorite place? Beautiful. Section 5. Bonus tips. Now that you know the habit, let's make it even easier and more fun. Tip 1. Keep a small notebook or use your phone. Write one question for each day. Example. What's your favorite color? What time do you wake up? What's one thing you learned today? What did you do yesterday evening? Tip 2. Repeat your answer 2 or 3 times. The first time is warm-up. The second time, you sound better. The third time, you sound like an English rock star. Tip 3. Record yourself. Use your phone, listen to your voice, and say, "Wow, that's me speaking English." Do it again tomorrow. You'll hear your progress grow. Tip 4. Don't worry about mistakes. English is not a test. It's a tool. If people understand you, you're already winning. Section 6. The challenge. Okay, challenge time. I'm going to ask you 10 questions, and you will answer each one out loud. You can pause the video if you need more time. Ready? What time did you wake up today? What did you eat for breakfast? What are you doing this afternoon? Who is your favorite person in your family? What kind of music do you like? Do you prefer tea or coffee, and why? What did you do yesterday evening? What is one thing you are good at? What's the weather like today? What are you learning right now? You just answered 10 full questions in English. That's amazing. Seriously, give yourself a high five. Conclusion. This small habit, the question of the day, may look simple, but it's life-changing. 5 minutes a day. One question, one answer. That's it. Do it for 30 days, and you'll be shocked by how much smoother your English sounds. You'll feel more confident, you'll make fewer mistakes, you'll even start thinking in English, sometimes even dreaming in English. So promise me this, tomorrow. Ask yourself one question and answer it out loud. That's how fluency begins. One step, one sentence, one smile at a time. Thank you for joining me today on Fluent Mate. I'm Liam, and I'm proud of you. Remember, keep practicing, keep laughing, and keep believing in yourself. See you next time, and until then, speak out loud and stay awesome. Bye for now.